So we've gone ahead and put the cedar infill in. Our system will take any infill that you want up to 1 inch. We recommend tongue and groove because it helps for bowling and warping and all of that. Once you have all of them but the last piece in, the last piece, you sometimes, depending on where you set everything, you may have to either notch this top piece or drill through it or whatever. On this one, I'm not really sure. We're gonna set it in there. Once you set it in, you'll be able to put the top channel on and know which way it has to go. On ours, the wood fit perfectly, so we're not even gonna have to notch it. Top channel goes into place. Put our bolt in. We'll go back and tighten it up, but now you have a completed fence, and even with us stopping and talking and making sure we were editing this, it took probably less than about 13 minutes to put this entire section together.